Good morning, folks. Farmer Luke here. Just stopped down at the pond. I'm actually I got a bale of hay on to go up to the cows. Stopped down here to check on the bees and to feed the fish and see the ducks. And it just struck me how funny it was that how quiet it is here, but yet it's the opposite of quiet. Meaning that if I just be quiet for a minute. Oh yeah, I'd be quiet and then nothing happens. What I was trying to get at is that there was frogs that were making noises, and the all kinds of different wild songbirds here. Oh, that's what I was trying to catch on film. That's one of these guys here. I don't know if you can see this guy down in the water down here. Look at the big legs there. He's just kind of like hanging in the water. And there's another one over here. Right there. I think they're leopard frogs, they call them, but they're bullfrogs here. And then we got Goliath and Amber out here eating the fish food. And there's fish jumping, traffic going. I can hear the sounds of the inflator up at the greenhouse. And then I don't think you'll be able to hear this, but the sounds of the bees is let me just see if I can get you close enough to. I don't know if the camera microphone picked that up or not, but they're just tremendously loud here. I love seeing all the activity at the hives. I'm so glad that I was able to pick up a couple of more nukes. So that was a big win. Thanks, Gary. Anyways, we should all be so fortunate to start their days this way. So never once do I ever take it for granted. And I know many of you would really give near anything to live the same life that we're living. And I wish I could do that for everyone, but I can't. So the next best thing I can do is kind of share some of it with you. And I hope you guys all, I hope it makes your day just a little better. Because Lord knows we all need something to make our days better rather than the stuff that we see on social media and the television and radio that's making us feel worse, not better. So hopefully this brightens someone's day. See you folks. Have a great day.